Here we have a hot water pressure washer trailer package built by Industrial Cleaning Equipment and Supply here in Florida. It features a Hydrotech SCU 3000 at 3000 psi, 9 gallons a minute. 2 operators can use for getting your job done twice as fast. Industrial duty Honda engine and general pump. 225 gallon water tank. On the front is a chemical sprayer that a 3rd operator can use for pre-treatment. The onboard generator supplies power to the recycle system. Vacuums up the water, pumps it through filters, and puts the water back into the bulk tank for reuse. On the rear of the trailer is 4 hose reels, 2 for high pressure hose, 1 for inlet hose, and the 4th is for chemical hose. Storage box with a locking lid, chrome rims, diamond plating, and the ladder rack for storage.